Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎 and this is 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'S Wish. Today I have my November Sparkle & Co bag and I took pictures of every little thing that was in it. It's a gorgeous bag. Everything in it I loved. And I'm also doing a collab with two friends of mine, Kayla from Totally Kayla. Her YouTube channel will be linked down below, and Stacy as well. And her channel is Wine and Dip Powder Nails, and she also does a review of a wine each time that she does a video, so that's pretty cool. Like if you're into wine and stuff, that's pretty cool. So you can see the things that were in the bag. I thought it would be easier to do it this way, and pretty soon we'll just get into the mani. Everything was gorgeous. I was worried about the one solid color, which is called Blush Crush, but it ended up looking okay with my skin tone. It pulled more pink than peach. And because I get the I Want It All, you get a 1 ounce of Kristy, who I guess is the owner of Sparkle & Co, her favorite dip that month. And I got 4 gels and 5 dips, a nail polish, and you saw it go by. The liquid of the month was Peel Base, and they also included regular nail polish. Well, there's always a regular nail polish color, but there was a regular nail polish top coat as well. So that's cool. So we're gonna get into the mani right now, where I'm gonna do 2 fingers. I sped it up ×2, and I did show pretty much everything except for the filing and shaping. But what I want to tell you though, what is so freaking exciting, is Sparkle & Co is having a sale, and there's pictures at the end of all the posts that they've made, so you can, you know, pause it and look at it and read it. But they are having, it's 20% off, which everybody's like, 20% off. But if you're a sub bag member, when you have the subscription, you always have like a little coupon. It's a button inside your thing. You don't have to manually type in anything. It's a button. You click that, it applies 20% off. So people with sub bags get 40% off. So now, if you were thinking about signing up for Sparkle & Co, now is the time, because you can sign up for the Sparkle & Co bag. It is open until the 6th, which is the last day of the sale. You can start off with the $29.99 a month bag if you want. That's a good way to start, and then move yourself up if you like it. And in it they have a set that's going to come with 3 different dips. I don't have the names offhand. The picture will be at the end. You can see it. And you'll get base, activator, and top coat for $54. $54, and then minus 40% off of that. That is a damn good deal. And then they have one dip that came out like 2 years ago or a year ago. I think it's called Festival Lights or something like that. That's only going to be available during the time of the sale, and you can get that as well. But the key is, if you sign up for the sub bag, you can get, before I even go, if you get that package, the one with the 3 dips and the liquids, in your package will be a coupon for an $18 to be used on the site. So it's like you're even getting even more money. So I did order that. I did order that, so I will get an $18 code to put in, and I'll be able to use my 20% off, because you're allowed to do that. You're always allowed to use your your personal discount code. And what else would I want to tell you? Yeah, so they got that. They got a Christmas set. I think it's maybe 5 or 6 dips. You can get those. You won't get the $18 credit, but if you sign up and you use my name, like my YouTube name, or just 𝑂𝑚𝑧 and Wish, 𝑂𝑚𝑧 Wish, because that's what I go by on Facebook. If you sign up under my name and use me as your referral, you'll get an $18 credit as well. In about 3 weeks, it'll be emailed to you from the time of you signing up. Because that's what I did. I think I signed up under Guyleen. And yeah, so Guyleen got an $18 credit, and I got one as well. And yes, you can use it with your own personal coupon code to save you money. So there's a whole bunch of ways to save money right here during this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and it started yesterday, which was the 22nd, November 22nd, and it runs through December 6th. And all the information, all the shots and the pictures will be at the end, along with I think maybe 3 mani shots of this mani that I'm doing right here. Oh, this rose gold is so gorgeous. Put it on my pinky and my thumb. I love my thumb. Some people hate thumbs. I love thumbs. Especially my thumb. I think it's a perfect shape. But anyways, yeah, I'm rambling. I'm trying to kill time, and this video's extra long. So definitely go check out Kayla and Stacy as well. They will be linked down below, and all the information from the sale will be listed down below along with the link. It's not a referral link, it's just a link to the subscription bags if you want to. If you just want to make a purchase and you want to purchase that thing for $54 and get 20% off of that, if you use my name as a referral, like who referred you there, you'll get, without buying a subscription, just a purchase, you'll get a $9 credit, which is what I did 2 years ago, I believe. I bought something from Sparkle & Co. I think it was maybe their liquids. I think it was their liquids. It was way before I signed up for the sub bag. And again, I used Guyleen's name, Guyleen325, and I got a $9 credit to use in the store, and that's when I got their I went back and I bought their gel. They are wonderful. Their matte top coat in gel is awesome. It's got that velvety look and the velvety texture and everything. It's just awesome. I love their matte top coat. So here's where I just realized that, oh shit, I'm putting this glitter on and I forgot to activate these nails, because if you don't do that when you got a solid, there's a chance that that glitter can go and land on your nail and stick to it. So I had to do that real quick. I really like this mani. This rose gold was perfect to work with. That solid. The rose gold is called Glam Vibes Only. And then I use not a chunky glitter. It's not chunky. It's like medium-sized glitter. And it'll be coming up. I'm going to put that on my ring finger. And it's a mix of gold and rose gold. The only thing I wish is if I had just done one coat of it. I mean, it didn't turn out super bulky because you have to clear cap your glitter. You should clear cap everything, to be honest. Just so when you file and buff, you're not filing away your color. But it just depends on your application, especially if you're new, like I am. You know, it's still a learning process. You know, I can paint my nails fine, so putting the glue on is kind of easy, but still, sometimes it can be nerve-wracking. And I'm waiting for some I wanted to get those silicone things that you put on your finger to put acetone in with a cotton ball, but I didn't want to use it for that. I wanted to be able to use it to put on my other finger to pat down the glitters, but I couldn't find it, and so I just ordered some, they're like finger condoms or something. They're on their way. They shipped today. I got them on eBay, so I'll be able to do that, and the stuff won't stick to my finger. You can use a plastic baggie. A lot of people do that. I just want something designated to it. I do have the glitter press, but it just doesn't seem to press them down, especially near the cuticle. I just want more control of it. So this time I'm going to clear cap these, and you'll see I leave a little bit of that color transfers into that clear, and I kind of scoop it out a little, but it really doesn't matter because that's my clear for the glitter, and the solids were already done, so it didn't really matter. So yeah, so there's the sale. We got Kayla's awesome channel and Stacy's awesome channel. Like, if you drink wine, if you're a wine connoisseur, you would definitely like Stacy's channel, because she finds like unique wines and stuff like that to drink and to discuss, and she knows all the information. It's like, I don't know anything about wine. I don't even like wine. I don't drink. But you know, some people do like a nice glass of wine. So definitely give those girls a check out. And the sale, if you're interested, I will be having, I did place an order. I got some giveaways coming up, and they will be random giveaways. So if you're a viewer or you're new here, make sure you comment, because I don't announce a giveaway. I don't like people to come to my channel for a giveaway. That's just not, I'm not about that. I don't want to grow my channel that way. I don't even care if my channel grows on it, to be honest, you know. I just do it just to watch my own progress. It's kind of like my own personal journey, and I just share it with you guys. Being monetized, watch hours, all that crap, sub for sub, I freaking hate that. I hate that. That's why I don't pay any attention to the sub for sub people that come on my channel and comment saying, I subbed to you and now it's your turn or whatever. And I mean, if it's a nail channel and I look and it's something that I'm interested in, yeah, I'll subscribe to a nail channel. Nails and politics. That's what I watch. So, yeah, if it's food, crafting, anything else, I don't know. It's just, it's not me. I barely have time to watch the people I want to watch. Never mind having a bunch of dead subs that you got to give 3 minutes to, or whatever time they think that they need, and then you're still begging other people for watch hours. You know, you've hit your 1,000 subs, but you don't have the hours because you got a bunch of dumb sub for sub shit. So that's my little rant, because you know I gotta be a bitch somehow, because I really liked everything in this bag. So I gotta bitch about something. So that's my opinion on sub for sub. If you do it, good for you. You go, girl or guy. Whatever you want to do, if that's how you want to do it, go for it. It's just not me. And as for watch hours, I do everybody that I watch, if I give them a thumbs up, that makes a playlist. It's called your liked playlist, and I play that at night, so everybody gets extra watch time. I don't favor any person over another person. Once in a while, if it's a close friend that needs a few more hours, I'll let them play on the TV. But that's about it. I don't want to favor anybody over anybody else, so I just let the like playlist run. And it'll run, when it's running during the night, it'll go back about 3 days worth of videos. So, like, if you post more frequently, your videos will get more watch time, if that makes sense. So, that's how I do it. to be fair to everybody. There's a glitter press that I got that's just not, it's pressing on the sides, but I can't get it in the cuticle where I want it. So I think I ended up getting a whole bunch of it stuck to my finger. I don't know if it was this glitter or if it was the other one. It could have been the rose gold, which isn't even glitter. I think it could be chromed. I'm gonna have to try that over black and white. That, and there was another one called Pretty Luxe. Looked like there was flakies in there and stuff. I'm gonna try chroming that one over black and white too. See how they come out. So I'm gonna file and buff off camera after I activate. No, I think I still have to, I have to coat that in clear. Did I coat it in clear? I don't know. I looked away for a minute. But anyways, this is a lot of work, man, talking so much. I'm a talker, but just talking like this is hella awkward. Yeah, this is where it kind of looked a little bit bulky when I put the clear on. I don't know why. It always looks so bulky when I put the clear on. I don't show my filing just because I keep it kind of, my hand closer to me. I can show it in another video if you want. If that's something you want to see. I don't use the e-file. I have, but I find that I can do it just as fine, just as easier. I can do it with the hand file instead of the e-file to my liking with these things on my nails that I have that I'm going to be taking off soon. And I'm going to try to put a tip right on that ring finger that I'm working on right now. And then put Build a Gel over that. I'm going to give that a shot because that's the nail that's broken. And that's why I have these full cover Gel X dupes on. Whew, rambling. So I already mentioned Kayla, definitely check her out. Stacy in the sale. And there'll be pictures at the end. Did I go over everything? There'll be a collection, yeah, for $54. Because on their site they have a collection for $54, which I bought before, which is one dip of your choice and the 3 liquids. So this other one is even better because you're getting 3 dips and 3 liquids for $54. And then you can buy other stuff and you can go into the secret menu and get stuff from there. So, and then they have the Christmas collection, but you don't get the $18 thing. You get the $18 in your package if you get that special. Everything will be on the site. You can see it, and at the end you'll see everything there. So I am going to leave you for now. I am going to put my hand and cure it, and then I will come back and show you the mani, and then everything else will be shown right after that, along with some mani pics. So I think it came out pretty. Look at that thumb. I love my thumb. I can never make it into the picture though. So I'm going to leave you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, do all that YouTube-y stuff. Leave me a comment down below, and definitely go check out those ladies. And use my name if you want to see. Here's the sale. If you want to try dipping, this is the time. You know, I highly suggest Sparkle & Co. if you're just starting out, because they got great dips and their liquids work great. So that's it, guys. Have a good day. Bye.